Alright, I usually don't do videos like this, but I found a good deal on storage bins I wanted to show you guys. Let me show you what I'm working with in my old shop, and then I'll show you what I found. This is my old shop. That's the storage system that I had. Alright, so I've thought about a couple different ways to do storage, and one of the ways was to, use containers in a drawer, like in a toolbox drawer. But I found this deal on Amazon. I'm pretty excited. I want to show you guys. First of all, let me show you a tool organizer that I have that I like, but they're almost the same price as the deal I'm going to show you. Here's the system I was going to go with, is these plastic bins. They're from Harbor Freight. They're like 10 bucks, probably 11 bucks out the door with tax. They're good bins though. DeWalt has some. DeWalt's are like 20, or Craftsman. So DeWalt's are like 20 and Craftsman's high too. So those type of bins are good organization. I thought about putting it in like putting all my fasteners and stuff in a drawer of my toolbox with just dividers in it. Let's go inside. I'll show you the deal I found on storage containers. All right, here's the deal. A Durham storage case. It's metal, $15.36. So you could click on 2, 3, or 4, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on 4, and then hit buy now. $15.36 after tax, $65.12 for 3 of those things. All right, here they are. They came 2 different days for 4 different boxes. All right, can you guys see this? Open one of these up. Yeah, little metal case with plastic insert, 15 bucks. This is just for show. These are all empty. I'll show you what I got, how I did it. I'll leave a link down in the description. I don't get anything if you buy these. I'm not an affiliate member or anything. I just thought it was a really good deal and I wanted to share it. That's the only thing. If you want to buy some, you aren't helping me out, you're helping yourself out. If you don't, I don't care. I don't get paid either way. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it.